Hi, thanks for clicking on the video of our 2013 GERINGHOFF RD1230 folding corn head. I'm here in La Crosse, Wisconsin, taking this video. This corn head was traded in from our store in Rochelle, Illinois, Northern Illinois operation. We sold it new. It's a 2013 roto disc, and I'm gonna guess 15 to 2,000 acres of corn per year. So it's seen some acres. The 10 years, roughly 1,000. That's 10,000 times half again, 15,000. Very believable. I don't know if this is the second set of chains, but the biggest wear on it right now is the discs on the front. They're acceptable, but probably time for a rebuild for the most discriminating buyer. But again, good operator that had it before. The snoots are all in good shape. He doesn't have stumps and run into things. Augers are good. They don't even have rocks. We'll go to the Feederhouse, or go to the Feederhouse, and you look on the bottom, the trough here, no dents, so you can be assured that this corn head was used the right way. It does have the spline shaft. He had an 8250 the feeder or Insight Headsight, so automatic header height control. The couplers all look pretty good. I don't know if any of them have been replaced, but once again, the kind of operator and the kind of farm that this came from, you will not be disappointed. The end row augers in the bottom or on the ends. Don't see any wear or poly problems. I can't describe over that. It just very much like this head. I think you will too. So appreciate you watching this video. Thank you.